Okay, so I've had a few requests on doing DIY power banks. A bit more of a detailed video than my last one. So this one's a module that I showed off in the last one I had. I'll pop a link in the description for that again. And we've got another couple as well. There's a larger style of module that you can get. These hold, I think, 8 batteries. So they're really cool. And then there's these ones here. I don't really like these because you have to solder them or connect them together yourself. But that just sits in there, and it does have its own power readout, which is kind of cool. That just goes together there. So we'll make our own. I'll do that at some point through the video. That's just a little step-up module that will convert the voltage from around 4 volt up to the required 5 volt to charge a phone. And this here is the famous TP4056 from memory, and that will charge the battery. Okay, so here I've got the eBay power bank module that I featured in one of my last videos. That was a video where I salvaged laptop, salvaged 18650s from laptop batteries, I should say. I'll put a link up here somewhere. You'll be able to find that if you want to go and get some free 18650s yourself. So we just add these batteries facing the same direction into here. Actually, I'm not going to worry about clicking that together, that way I can get them back out easy. You just see it's got a built-in light. Click it twice, I think. Yep. And if I grab a device really quickly, alright, device and a charger, we'll plug this end in here and this one in here. Oop, if I can get it around the right way, and you'll see we start charging. So that's a pretty simple, cheap solution, but other people like to do them themselves. So I will show you how to make your own with these 3 here. So stated earlier, we've got a step-up module that converts it from the lower voltage up to 5 volt. Then we've got the TP4056 that just charges our battery, the 18650, and of course we've got the holder to hold the 18650. So in brief, I'll quickly draw this up. What do we got? That there, and a battery holder. Hopefully I've got this facing all pretty straightforward for you. And we'll grab a pen, or a texter. Text is probably going to do better. Right, so we're going to go put this up this way. Okay, so we're going to have positive after that, negative after that. Then we want our out positive, just double check on this side, positive there, excellent. So out positive to there, out negative to there, and that's pretty much our circuit done. So, time to solder it up. Gonna grab a bit of double-sided tape. This is really sticky stuff. Always causes my scissors an absolute nightmare. But that should be enough. Rip that in half. A little bit there. And a little bit there. Right, then we can stick this guy down. Like so. And this guy, you can sit down there like so. Right, we'll tin our soldering iron first. Now I've pre-tinned all the connections here just to save some time. If you just want me to do a video on how to tin as such, let me know. Right, bring this one around this way, I think. Oh, I know what we can get here. Dave's trusty clear tweezers. The Aussie Repair Guy made these for me. I will link these in the description. He's done a video on how he made these. They're really handy because they don't get in my way when I'm trying to film. But I'll pop a link up to his channel for you. Now, got that there. Oh, I said I pre-tinned everything, almost. Got this one as well. And this one. Right. Now we need some wire, which I do not have prepared. Oh, I've got a couple little bits here. There. And positive over to this side. Really burn my fingers here. No, we're good. And we'll also need a negative wire. Quickly trim that. I don't know about you guys, but I hate having to strip wire. I need to invest in a wire stripper. Not something I have done yet. Alright, soldering iron needs a clean. And there we go, we're good. Right, so we'll get that one on the negative. Not hugely happy with that connection there. Again, we'll grab the tweezers. There we go, much better. Right, round to the negative. Excuse fingies. And we'll punch him down on here. Not real happy with that. Not having a win tonight. I need to slow down. That should do us. Right, try again. Might just add some more. There we go. And go again. Much better. Okay, so we'll have a look here. We have positive coming from the battery to positive of the battery charger. Then positive out from the charger module to our step-up module, positive. Then we have our negative from the step-up back to the output negative of this. And then we have the battery negative linking back. See if I can get a bit of more of a zoom in there. Hard angle to get, sorry, but battery negative links through under, round to there. So we'll tape all this up. I'll cut that and come back with it taped up a bit tidier with some electrical tape, and we'll display a bit of a demo, see how it goes. Got it all taped up, and I'll just grab a charge cable and plug that one in. You can see I made a little hole for the little light there. So that's charging our battery. And I'll quickly grab the phone again. That one goes in there. And our phone goes in there, and as you can see, now our phone's charging. You can buy all the components for this off eBay for just a few dollars, to be honest. I'll put a link to the parts in the description below, and aside from that, if you could like and subscribe, that'd be pretty cool. I always get a little bit excited when I get a new subscriber or a like on my video. So yeah, thanks for watching again, guys, and don't forget to check out my other videos.